Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then let's tap on fingerprint to unlock and enter your screen lock to confirm. Here we've got the fingerprint scanner, so simply put our finger on the sensor, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Okay, and tap on done. That was quite fast. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint, decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. Here we've got the fingerprint recognition. So I assume that here we can customize the fingerprint sensor. So just mark the option and then go back. And here we've got other options like show fingerprint icon when the screen is off and low light fingerprint unlock. Alright, so let me lock the device and check if it is working. So we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.